Hello programmers, welcome to Easy Code with Rajesh. In today's videos, we are going to learn OOPS. This lecture is very important for B.Tech, BCA, MCA, diploma students and also for interviews and competitive exam. So let's get started. OOPS. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming. It is a programming approach where a program is designed using objects and classes. It helps make software modular, reusable, secure, and easier to maintain. OOPS have four main pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Important concepts of OOPS: class, object, constructor, method, access modifiers, associations, aggregation, composition, interface. Example: class student, a string name, int age, void display system.out println name system print out age, public class main, public static void main, a string arguments, a student s1 equals to new student. What is a class in OOPS? A class is a user-defined data type and a blueprint for creating objects. It contains data members and methods that define the properties and behavior of the objects. Object in OOPS. An object is an instance of a class. It represents a real-world entity and contains its own data and behavior. Here a student is class, S1 is object, new student creates the object. Constructor. A constructor is a special method used to initialize an object. It has the same name as the class and has no return type. Mainly three types: default, parameterize, and copy. A student class S1 object, new student creates the object. Default constructor. A default constructor is a constructor that does not take any parameters. It is used to initialize an object with default values. A student default constructor, new student creates a student object. The constructor automatically runs when the object is created. Parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor is a constructor that accepts one or more parameters to initialize an object's data. A student, a string n int a. Parameterized constructor, name, age, value passed to the constructor, and initialize the student's name a, initialize the student's age. Copy constructor. Copy constructor creates a new object by copying the values of the existing object. A student initializes the first object. A student as copy constructor new copies the data of S1 into S2. S1 and S2 are two different objects. Methods. A method is a block of code inside a class that performs a specific task. It runs when it is called. Display method. Void method does not return a value. S.display calls the method. System.out.println executes when the method is called. Access modifier. Access modifier control the visibility accessibility of a classes of variables, methods and constructors. Four types modifier: public, private, protected and default. Public access modifier. Public means the member can be accessed from anywhere in the program. Class student public string name. When class public static void main. A student s equals to new student system.out.println s.name. Private access modifier. Private means the member can be accessed only inside the same class. Private int is accessible only inside a student, so can access age because it is inside the same class. Protected access modifier. Protected means a member can be accessed within the same package and by subclasses, child classes in other packages. Class student protect int age. Class main extend students public static void main. Main as new main system.out.println s.age. Default access modifier. When no access modifier, public, private or protected is written, Java uses default access. Int is default access. It can be accessed only within the same package. It cannot be directly accessed from a different package. Interface in Java. When no access modifier is written, Java uses default access. Interface animal creates an interface. Void sound abstract method implements animal class, implements the interface sound, provide the method implementation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, support this channel and subscribe now.